When we eat warm apple pie, its aroma and heat immediately awaken our senses.
As it reaches the stomach, heat and enzymes start breaking it down for digestion.
In the intestines, fiber and vitamins absorb into the body, giving us energy.
These nutrients spread through the bloodstream, strengthening organs and muscles.
But eating too much can irritate the stomach, causing inflammation. Sugar quickly floods the bloodstream, putting sudden stress on the body.
Eventually, energy drops, leaving the body feeling tired and sluggish.